Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Artsy and I think we are long overdue for a developments in Montego Bay video. Let's start with the fountain at Sharpe Square. Last year, it got a facelift. They removed the electronic boards and relocated them close by. They painted the curbs and rails and renovated the fountain. Here's how it looked in my last update, and here's how it looks today, February 3rd, 2023. Do you like it? Many of you have been asking in the comments what's happening with the Montego Bay bypass. Well, I have attempted to get information from the powers that be regarding the project with no luck. However, I have seen significant work taking place on the Irwin Main Road. I showed you one section in the last video, but I've since learned that there is another section that they are working on in the same area. So I will show you that as well. Note, any information I share now is based on supposition and what a few people in the area shared with me. If you have any connection to a reputable source, send me an email. So this section is possibly the area that they will use to transport the equipment. As you can see, many of the houses across the street have been gutted. Apparently, the road may be passing in and around that area. Now we're going to have a look at the section by the river. Hello, I'm good. It is possible that this is where the columns will be installed to support the section of the road that will be built overhead. Now on to the Sangster International Airport runway expansion project. Now, what's new is that all of that area was just grass. Someone was explaining to me recently that these specific type of lights were installed for safety reasons. They are designed in such a way that they cannot be seen from above and cause any confusion to the pilots. That seems like a very good idea if that is indeed the case. Standing in front of the 14th one. I'm counting them. I think most of you are already aware of the runway expansion project taking place at Montego Bay's airport. It is anticipated that once completed, the runway will enhance the airport's capabilities by enabling it to accommodate larger and more advanced aircraft, leading to a substantial decrease in arrival and departure times. So this is where Wexford Court was, and it looks like they're doing some work on it. It has been gutted. Wexford Court is located across the street from the old hospital park, and right beside Pelican Restaurant. I wonder what happened here. The fence went bye-bye.